Right, so we're going for a spearfish and a bit of a fish tomorrow. Not sure where we're going. I'm with a mate, catching up with a mate, Ryan. Just about on Wanganui now. We'll head out in the morning and hopefully get some fish. Back for a feed and we'll let you know how we go. Right, so we're just hooking up my lights for my new ute. For the new bull buzz I've just chucked on it. And then we're ready for tomorrow morning. Grab the boat. We'll head down there. Go for a spearfish in the morning. And we're off. An old Land Cruiser. The spear gun's ready. A bit late this morning, we should be launching the boat by now, but get out for a spearfish and dive and a fish soon. Good day for it. Mint day on the sea today. Flat airs. Just about to head out.
Come on, old boy.
Ready to roll. Here he comes.
Waiting for the skipper.
Finally off. 20 to 8. Got about 19 k's to go to the diving spot.
Set those long lines.
60 feet apparently, so we're going to struggle with our tanks. Right, we've got to our diving spot, which is only 40 feet. Right, so we just got out of the water. She's pretty deep, 45 odd feet. We couldn't quite get to the bottom, but had a shot at some big school of kingies come through and had a shot, but I think I need a bigger spear gun. I think bounced off it. I was about 4 meters away from it when I shot, but yeah, we'll go in a bit shallower so we can get those little fish on the bottom. Right, so we finished our dive yesterday. We got 13 snapper, kahawai, and then a gurnet on the line.
Yeah, up.
Going out to shoot some goats now. So bit of long range shooting with old 223s will be good.
Keep up, keep up, keep up.
Right, we've spotted some billies and nannies down over there. There's quite a bit of them. And then way over there on the hill, 293 meters to that billy up there. Ryan got it out on his drone finders. So probably going to have a crack at them first. I've got the 223s, 55 grain. Suppressed, they shouldn't go anywhere. Set up the camera and have a bit of a play around with them. Okay, so we're ready to shoot. There's quite a bit of wind, but it shouldn't matter too much. It's coming straight towards us. I'm going to shoot the big billy down. It's sitting down over there, the white one. It looks quite good, and then Ryan's going to swing around, shoot the big one up on the top of the hill to the right, and get the video around there. So we'll shoot this one first, and then spin around and get the others. Wait for a bit of wind, die down a little bit. Standing there. Okay, yeah, bro, shoot your one. Hold up. Yeah, your one's ready, yep. Hit him again, you hit him.
Gotta hit him?
Yep.
Fuck, there's heaps of them, bro.
Yeah. I'll shoot this one down here again. Hold up, wait for my bully. Where's that bully down there? Have another shot of this one. big one again.
Is he down the bottom?
No, he's
Oh,
up.
there's mine.
He's the top one, the brown one.
He's back out now.
Yep, got him.
Alright, mine's coming down the hill.
Okay, wait for him to get down to the others, bro, and then he'll be on the video as well. Yeah, that big one's a bit sick. Yeah, smoky one if you can. Hit him.
He is down.
Shit, my one's still going, I can see the blood on him. Hit him again. That one's taking some
move. Gave him good lead, man. Little one coming back from home.
Righto, I'm out. Right, so there's a Billy down here, big bugger, that Ryan wounded. He's just chilling out down there. Both shooted him, finish him off. Right. Okay, on one. 3, 2, 1. Oh, he's down.
Fuck you, bro.
He's a good Billy as well.
I had nothing in my fucking chamber.
Oh, did you not shoot?
No, it goes tick.
Oh no.
I remember fucking, he's down though, I watched his head, it was a headshot. I thought I had one up the spout.
Right, so we're walking down. Go and check out the goats we just shot. Some good shooting going on, some pretty poor shooting going on, but they're a long way away. There's a lot of wind. Old 55 grain, 223. But now we've got a couple of good billies, so we'll go down and have a check out. Got Red the dog here. She'll help find them. And trust the old 223 to finish them off. This gun shot probably 500 goats at work. It's only sighted them for baleen goats at 45 metres, 40 metres though, so which is a bit of guessing going on, but no, we did it alright. Walked in the bush and Red pointed up this. Good girl, Red. Shit, must have been one we wounded. She was the first one found, the billy. That's where Ryan hit him the first time. Good shooting, mate.
Oh, living the dream.
Righto, there's another one. That billy that I finished off just up here. Righto, Red. Where is it? It's around here somewhere. Where is it? Oh, there it is there. Good girl. Not a bad billy.
Fuck yeah. How old is he?
I don't know. Not bad at all.
Ripper.
Awesome.
Good dog.
Right, so we're going to cut the head off. Not a bad head on him. Go boil him up and hang him on the fence for another 20 years.
Yeah.
Want air? No, not particularly.
Well, good head though.
Yeah, not a bad head at all. Measure him when we get back. That other one's bigger, I'm pretty sure, that we got up here. We'll find him. Number 2. Well, actually number 3, because that other billy was one. Another billy. 3 billies down so far.
Young Willie.
Young one.
Read out.
Big body on the bugger.
What's that shit all over him?
Oh, it's that hook grass stuff. The shit that stuck to all my legs. Right, the big bugger's around the corner. I'm not sure if he's quite dead up in that bush, eh? We're gonna have a look. He's in here somewhere.
Left, 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 left. Coming out left. Hang on, hang on.
Shoot down here. There it is. You see him?
Yep.
Jesus,
He's
strong
tough,
bastard.
bro. Down.
Shit.
He's coming right to us.
I've already got about 4 holes.
What do you reckon?
Sweet. Reed's
girl.
found it. Good girl, Reed.
Wasn't far to go.
Nah. Here he is. Last billy. He's not that big. Now we're going to go back up to the truck where we shot from. Way the hell over there. And then head back to Akatea tonight. Get into a bit of diving next few days hopefully, and then back up to the car workers for another seeker. Right, and that brings us to the end of today's hunt and yesterday's spearfish. Had a pretty good time. Sea was flat as. We could see the ground at 42 feet, 43 feet, which was good. So yeah, I think I'm going to get some free diving flippers now though, because I was struggling to get down there and back up. But we're ready for next time. See you on the next video.